Hi guys, welcome back on Tech Aid. We are providing you practical solutions to your problems, whether it's a simple hack or a step-by-step guide. We have got you covered. In this video, I will gonna show you that how to delete saved pins on Pinterest. First of all, you can open the Pinterest application. I can already open the app. After opening the app, you can just simply go to the profile icon at the bottom right corner of the screen, and here you can just simply select the board that you want to delete the save pins. I can select my SAT board, and after selecting the board you can just simply open the video that you want to delete. I can open this video. After opening the video you can now tap on three dots at the bottom middle of the saved video or saved pin. Tap on this and here you can tap on edit pin, and after this you can now tap on delete pin, and now you can just confirm to delete this pin, and it is a way you can delete saved pins on Pinterest. If you want to keep your online activity private and access to restricted contents like I do, trying using a VPN. It's secure, easy to use, and makes a browsing safer. The link to buy is in the description below. If this tutorial helped, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more practical solutions. Got questions or need extra help, drop a comment below and we will be happy to assist. See you in the next one. Thanks for watching.